You've got a tough job to do, and you've got a team of people who are hardworking, flexible, and tough. Shouldn't your workwear be the same? Introducing the Carhartt Rugged Flex rental line, exclusively from Cintas. It's lightweight and breathable, keeping your team comfortable no matter the job. Packed with features that keep your tools close at hand, it's flexible enough for people who move, stretch, and lift all day. It's the durability you can expect from the Carhartt name. With the dependability of a laundry service you can only get from Cintas. For rental workwear that works as hard as your team does, get Carhartt Rugged Flex, exclusively from Cintas. And get ready for the workday.